Hello and welcome back to our companion video for the viewer software outline with tabs and icons, part 2. Implant Planning tab. Implant Planning tab. Planning. Mandibular canal. New. Hold Control key down. Click. Continue. Implant planning, adding implants. Implant planning, implant, new. Library pops up. Click desired implant. Hit OK. Left click, drag in position. Tilt the implant. Right click, drag. Release. Implant appears in CT and 3D image. Use transparent template. Please see our implant training video for more details. CPR tab, curve planar reconstruction, cross sections, CPR generated pano. CPR tab. CPR launches axial screen. Hold Control key down. Keep Control key down. Point arrow in middle of the dentition. Click around the arch. Completed CPR view. Cross sections on the right panel. CPR generated pano. Toggle keys off and on. Adjusting reconstructed pano imaging. Remember, we use the CPR tab and Control key to plot the dots. Use Control key. Set the pano image to 25. Click this white little button, hit the down arrow, go down, click 25, click OK. Wait a second or two. 25. Toggle scale lines off. Double click pano. Wait a few moments. Single screen pano. Window level. Release. Wait. Save and scene. Or right click, save image. JPEG. Double click. Click CPR again to exit. Ray sum, increase slice thickness, help with grainy images. Ray sum tab, check box. Thickness, uncheck box. Without ray sum, with ray sum. Airway analysis tab. Airway tab. Check all these boxes. Click process. Completed airway measurements after post-processing it. Exit airway when completed. Slab 3D image. 3D image slabbed. Slab tab, check box. Mask tab, crop or cut. Mask tab, cropped. Hold Shift or Control key to crop. By Control key, cut. Reverse. Clear. Save a scene. Save Scene tab. Save name. Hit OK. Output tab. Output tab and functions. Multi-data. Add, load multi-data.